Ancient Nutrition bone broth protein delivers a concentrated beef bone broth in powder form, making it far easier to enjoy daily than simmering your own stock for hours. Each serving provides a robust amount of protein for relatively few calories, which works well for supporting muscle maintenance while keeping overall intake in check. Because it is naturally rich in collagen and amino acids from beef bones, it is a smart choice for people who want extra support for joints, skin, and connective tissues. The salted caramel flavor helps mask the typical bone broth taste, so it blends smoothly into smoothies, shakes, or even warm drinks without being overwhelming. The formula avoids genetically modified ingredients, artificial additives, and growth hormones, which is reassuring if you prioritize clean, straightforward nutrition. It is produced in facilities that follow good manufacturing practices and is tested by independent laboratories, adding confidence that what is on the label is actually in the tub.